Hello everybody, myself Ritik Kudalkar and welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be talking about literature review yet again, but some other aspects of it. So as we're discussing about thesis, that is design dissertation, today I'll be talking about acts and regulations. So मेरे को starting से ही सारे faculties and all बोल रहे थे, oh you're designing a hospital, no? Make sure that you know all the rules and regulations regarding the hospital. And I was like, it's just a hospital. I mean, what rules and regulations for it? I mean, it's not something जिसमें बहुत ज़्यादा FSI and all is in the picture. But, for every topic, no matter what you choose, there are a set of rules that has been made for it. Not just for the structure, but every different aspects of the structure. For example, mine was animal hospital. So for animals, there are different rules like Animal Protection Act. There are different rules which talks about the rights of animals, the things that we humans are not supposed to do, certain laws that already prevails, but is not even known to the people because कोई जाकर animal related rules and acts नहीं पढ़ेगा. And who is going to defend for the animals? I mean, animals खुद जाके थोड़ी ना बात करेंगे कि oh this is a rule, you're going against it. No, right? But you, when you're designing spaces for them, you should know what are the rules and regulations regarding it. For example, अगर एक जगह पे veterinary hospital है तो उसके पास में there should also be a veterinary college, so they both can like work together and it can be like a good collaboration. And it's not like it should be a collaboration, but it was a rule कि there should be a college close to the hospital. तो हो सकता है कि तुम्हारी टॉपिक से रिलेटेड भी ऐसा कोई रूल हो विच इज़ समथिंग दैट यू शुड फॉलो, बट जस्ट बिकॉज यू हैव नॉट स्टडीड अबाउट द रूल्स एंड रेगुलेशंस अबाउट द स्ट्रक्चर दैट यू आर डूइंग, यू डू नॉट नो. सो डोंट बी अंडर अ कंसेप्शन कि तुम्हारा स्ट्रक्चर नॉर्मल है या इट्स जस्ट अ म्यूजियम, इट्स जस्ट लाइक अ मार्केट प्लेस. सो वी डू नॉट हैव एनी रेगुलेशंस. जस्ट गो एंड चेक, go to different Indian code and laws ke websites and check from there what is the valid rule or regulation that is related to your topic, to your subject, which is very important. Because the first thing they ask is, are you thorough with all the rules and regulations, whether it is even the bylaws, reading the DCPR book or anything which is related to your subject. Make sure you know it. अगर उसके कोई annexures भी है तो उसे attach करो at the end of your book. If there is certain important documents which states कि so and so rule is made, so and so law has been passed and it should be followed as per section this and that. Usse take, like have samples of it and you can attach it at the end of the book. So even if you are asked any question related to it, you can show them that you have this thing, and तुम उन्हें दिखा सकते हो कि this I have studied and this is the attachment of it. So yeah, that was like a very important thing, which is a part of literature review. So when you're doing the literature review, apart from the fact कि user requirements क्या है, spatial requirements क्या है, also know the rules and regulations. After that, there was another important thing which we call as methodology. Methodology is a different aspect जिसमें तुम डिस्कस करते हो कि तुम आगे का रिसर्च और स्टडी कैसे करोगे. So it talks about things like what are the different steps that you're using to do your research or to do your study. For example, you can write, you're doing Google surveys, you're doing there's something called as ethnographic mapping, which is when you collect pictures and you study pictures and then you write about it, and that's how you study. You use photographs or images to study. So that is one method. You can do interviews, very important and very interesting part. You can go to the place which is of the subject. अगर तुम्हारा हॉस्पिटल है या फिर स्कूल है, go to a good school, talk to the people there, the people who are like, if you can get an opportunity to talk to the architect of the structure, do that. Ask them questions, ask them कि उन्होंने कौन से rules and regulations follow किए थे while designing the structure. Have those conversations that will give you more valid data for your book, for your thesis, and then whatever you're writing, you're more confident about it because you've spoken to people who are already so knowledgeable in that field. So it helps, it really really helps. So like I have spoken to a lot of doctors and a lot of people who are, you know, associated with the veterinary institution. So it helps, you know. And then even when you answer to the jurors, you have certain confidence because you know what you're talking. So those exercises of like talking to people and collecting information is very important. So apart from Google surveys, you can have data collections in a form of, you can read newspaper articles. To also cultivate like a habit to read newspaper. आई नो ये स्कूल से सब लोग बोलते आ रहे हैं, बट क्या हम लोग ये फॉलो कर रहे हैं? क्या कोई सिंसियरली हर दिन न्यूज़पेपर पढ़ रहा है? आस्क योर सेल्फ, वी ऑल नो द आंसर, राइट? या बट देन इफ़ यू डूइंग अ रिसर्च बुक, तुम एटलीस्ट एक बार ग्लांस कर सकते हो थ्रू न्यूज़पेपर्स एंड सी इफ देयर इज सम हेडलाइन और समथिंग दैट इज रिलेटेड to your topic. Because you know, on a regular basis, or like in the future aspects, in the present aspects, तुम गूगल में जो सर्च करोगे ना, तुमको पास्ट का डेटा मिलेगा. बट फॉर वॉट इज़ हैपनिंग इन द प्रेजेंट टाइम and to know what's happening in the near future, you should actually refer to the daily newspaper. If not in form of like a hard copy, go to the website and try to have e-newspapers where you can just read and just glance through the headlines. You know, data collection का ये भी बहुत important aspect है. Don't miss out on anything. If you think you can go to the library, get the books and then get good amount of information from it, do that. Just don't let anything stop you behind from like collecting good, nice, juicy data. So like I've done all of those things, you know. I've tried going to libraries, I've tried. So throughout I've never been to library, but for this thing I've definitely went to the library, tried searching for books which were related to my topic. And it helps, you know. All these efforts that nobody else sees, it is reflected in your book when you write those data. Even if you don't find anything in the library, don't be disheartened. You know, those effort, it counts. Not just the effort counts, because it also shows कि तुम interested हो तुम्हारे topic में, you know. Do all the things that you can do to collect as much data as possible, that you can make like that you can put in your book and make your book a success. आगे की बातें in the next video. Till then, bye bye.